Welcome to Freedom Fender, where we bring you the latest on premium rides, rugged machines, and everything in between. Today, we're taking a first look at an exciting upcoming release, Norton Motorcycle's new super premium model, with final names still under wraps. It's set to redefine performance and craftsmanship in the high-end motorcycle world. The return of British muscle. Norton has long been a symbol of British engineering and racing heritage. With this new super premium model, the company is signaling a bold return to form, aiming straight at the top tier of the motorcycle market. Built with exclusivity and raw power in mind, this bike isn't just another release, it's a statement. Design and craftsmanship. Early glimpses suggest a stunning blend of aggressive styling and timeless design. Expect carbon fiber components, handcrafted detailing, and an unmistakable Norton silhouette. This model is designed to be as much a collector's piece as it is a performance machine, blending artistry with purpose. Performance and innovation. While official specs haven't been released, Norton is rumored to be outfitting this machine with a high-performance V4 engine, possibly derived from the V4 SV, with cutting-edge electronic systems and race-grade suspension. It's likely to compete with the likes of Ducati's Superleggera and MV Agusta's top-tier offerings. Exclusivity and expectations. This new Norton will be built in limited numbers, with a premium price tag to match. Targeted at collectors and elite riders, it promises a riding experience unlike anything else in the brand's current lineup. It's not just about speed, it's about prestige, heritage, and pushing engineering boundaries. Final thoughts. Norton's super premium model is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated high-end motorcycle releases in recent years. With performance, exclusivity, and craftsmanship all in focus, this bike could mark a new era for the iconic British brand. Thanks for joining us on Freedom Fender. Hit that like button, drop a comment with your first impressions, and subscribe for more deep dives into the machines that move us.